Hey guys, and what is up? So today I was going to record a quick little video which is going to include a fun little haul. So we went to Houston. I'm going to share that vlog. You should have already seen it up. So it should already be up by the time you see this one. And every single time we go to like the Austin area, Dallas or Houston, we go to Daiso because there's not one in San Antonio. And I like their stationery. I didn't buy a lot this time around, but I did buy a few things that I would love to share, like this cute little, it's like an acrylic box. A lot of these few items that I got are gonna be gifts, but I wanted to share with you all what they had. The first being is this cute acrylic box which has Mickeys all over the lid. That is so cute. So I'm gonna gift that to one of my friends who's like Disney obsessed. And then I got these little sticky notes which have Mickey and Minnie and a little memo sticky notes. I also got, these are for myself. It's called correction tape, but it's just white out, and it has this cute little bears. I don't know how to pronounce the name of what they are, but like how adorable are these? So I'm excited to use them. It comes with two of them. The one that I have right now is just like the big brand. I have my blanket right here, but it's the big brand, and I wanted to get those because I know I use them a lot. And then the other thing I got is this cute little Monsters Inc. washi. And this right here is what the washi looks like. Hopefully there it goes. But that's what that looks like. So cute. Sorry if you can hear my dog panting in the background, but it's what he does. And then I also got a Frixion pen. It's an erasable pen. Oh, I think that'll, yeah, I think it focused right now. But that's what that looks like. I would always make fun of makeup artists whenever they would do like the hand behind the products, but I understand why they do it because obviously it helps focus, but it's still funny. And then I got two of these, which are just Mickey pens. They're so cute. I had the Winnie the Pooh one, and it's a 0.38 millimeter, so it writes so smooth because it is a ballpoint. Yeah, it's a ballpoint, but it's so thin, so it's really nice and smooth. But they didn't have Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh's my favorite, but I got one for my friend, I got one for myself, and then I got two of these cute little washies. Hopefully you can see them, but it has, hopefully I gotta block my face for it to like focus. It's not focusing. It's not focusing. There it kind of goes. I don't know, but it has cute little flowers with Minnie. I'm gonna keep one of these so I can open one to show you all, because I don't think it's focused like at all. I have scissors right here. My dog. Here it is. Hopefully y'all can see that. There it goes, it focused. But that's what that looks like. Like how cute. It has all these flowers with Minnie on them. With Minnie all around them. It reminds me of what was that thing called at Epcot? The Flower Garden Festival, is that what it's called? It reminds me of that. And then I got two of these, one for myself and one for my friend, but it's these cute little stickers with like Minnie on them and Mickey with flowers. So I feel like it matches the washi perfectly. I think it actually goes together, so that is so cute. But that's what I got from Daiso. Love that store. And everything was $1.50 except for these. These were $2, but it makes sense because it comes with two of them. And then the other thing I'm going to show you all is a few things that I got from Happy Planner. I placed this order, I think it was like at the beginning of the week, somewhere around there. But I got a couple of things that I needed. well, I shouldn't say needed, but that I wanted. First thing that I got was the Papillon washi. So excited about these. I was gonna get them when they released, but I skipped on them because I got a lot of sticker books. So I skipped on those, and then I also got this. This was on sale. This is from the Oasis collection, the Disney Oasis collection. It comes with a folder, a little divider, sticky notes, and some extra stickers. But what I really got it for is the paper. It comes with daily sheets, and I use the daily sheets that come with this pack all the time. It's these right here. I'm pretty sure if you ever see like my daily plan with me, those are the pages that I use, just because I like those the best. And the rest of the stuff that I got are all stickers. I think one of these was on sale. I don't remember which one it was, but I got the new what is it called? The new fall or seasonal fall sticker book. So cute. I'll flip the camera around and show you all. And then I got the Keep Going sticker book, which is like florals. I got the last year's Merry and Bright sticker book because it was on sale for like $10. So with Christmas coming up, I know I'll be able to use this. I'm pretty sure that one's from last year. Yeah, that one's from last year. And this one is this year's. I got the Christmas sticker book. This is the one that just released from the fall collection. And this one also released this fall collection. And it's a mixture of all the seasons. So this is seasons. But yeah, let me go ahead and flip the camera around and do just a quick little flip of those things so y'all can see them better. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see that pretty well, but this is the seasons sticker book. It's just a mixture of all the seasons. And I'm pretty sure y'all have seen flip throughs of all these, but you know, it just never hurts. This one's really cute. I love the way it looks like doodles more than like the realistic stickers. Oh, that's really cute with the little necklaces. Adorable. Oh, these are cute too. All of them are cute. They're just like kind of like doodle style. The back to school. Summer. These are cute. 4th of July. Barbecues. All the barbecue stuff. Hot dogs. Rollerblades. That's cool. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these rollerblades. How adorable. And the ice cream. Oh, this bike is so cute. Sunglasses. This is more of the fall stuff because of all the leaves and colors that they used here. Halloween. Wish I had this for a Halloween spread, but it's okay. And there's these. Oh, that's cute. The little pie. Oh, and look at this little turkey. I think, did I miss one? No, I didn't. Christmas. Oh, I really like this little box. That's cute. More boxes. You can see Caesar. It's funny. And then just the last page. So there's that one. And this is the one, yeah, this is the new Christmas one. So I'll show you all this one for sure. I really like these. I like these colors a lot. I like they include bright pinks. These coffee mugs are really cute. Can't wait to use those. I wish they would come out with more washi, but I get why. I think it just makes more sense for them to include it in a sticker book than, you know, order the washi like this. Oh, this is really cute. Look, it's adorable. Oh, and there's like a lot of them. That's what, like, I feel like in previous sticker books, they would include coffee mugs, but not as many, and I never wanted to use them because I like them so much. And this one's so cute. I'm really glad they included a lot of those. Christmas gifts. Boxes. This is a pretty fast flip, but I'm sure there's a lot of flip throughs out there from the people that, I know a lot of squad got seasonal stuff. I didn't get much seasonal stuff. I didn't get any actually, but that's why I needed to place this order. These Christmas trees are so cute. Oh, look at that car with the gifts. Whoever does that, I mean, I don't. That being said, we have Amazon nowadays. Oh, these are adorable. Look. They're little ornaments. Okay, and then we have this. And there's one more. Okay, perfect. So there's that. And this is last year, so I'll just do a quick little, you know, this kind of flip. Because this has been out. But I wanted to make sure that I had enough Christmas stickers and stuff, so this one's really cute too. That's why I wanted to make sure to get it. And then here is the Keep Going sticker book, which has a lot of florals, but I feel like florals still go pretty well with fall, so I'm excited to kind of mix this in with the fall stuff. Especially the colors they used here. Like, you can definitely use some of these for fall. Doesn't necessarily have to be spring or anything like that. These are really cute. I love that. Spread cheer. I wish they would have came out with seasons of floral. I think that's what it's called. The big sticker book. I wish they would have came out with that in a value pack sticker book. I think these are called value pack. I don't even know. Oh, these are pretty. See, I feel like this could pass off as like a Christmas spread. I love dots. I wish they would come out with like pages of dots, but like neutral dots. It's cute. See, like these, you don't have to use these with like floral spreads. You can use them whenever. I rarely use these. I know a lot of people do, but I rarely use the strips with the dots. I'd rather just make my own. Oh, I like this. Instead of it saying like appointment or anything, it just has the little location icon and the time instead of, it makes sense. I feel like when you get one that says appointment, you have to use it for appointment as opposed to if you have something else going on. That's cute. That's a poinsettia, so you can use that for Christmas. It looks like a poinsettia at least. So cute. See, these would be really good for fall. I feel like this is kind of what it's for. That. These are cute. It has like, is that gold? No, it's just green. Yeah, this is a poinsettia, so spread more joy. And some words. Cute. And then the last one that I got is a seasonal fall. I really needed a fall sticker book, so I went ahead. That's why I got this one and seasons. I feel like with seasons you get obviously all of them, but I also wanted to get this one. This one has really cute stickers. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't like the biggest fan of it, but it's still really cute. I love all the shapes of the leaves. I think why I wasn't such a fan of it, it's the colors. I feel like they're a little too bright for my likings. I don't know. I feel like the doodles were, like this was in a previous sticker book, like this style. But maybe, I don't know. Beats me. I think it's like this. I feel like I'm more of like the seasons doodles and this type of drawings. But I'm sure I could still make a cute spread with it. I don't know why these boots have like a shadow around them. Like, if that's gonna have a shadow, I feel like everything else should have had a shadow. I don't know. That's cute. That's a cute turkey. I didn't know there was Halloween stuff in here too. Oh, these little stars are cute. Won't be able to use those. Maybe next year. But I can use these little striped washies. I always love these type of stars. I think they're good like filler stars. Oh, these are cute. I like these pies. Has a little heart. Adorable. I love the font they used. For some reason I thought that said spring. That's cute. That's nice. I really like these actually. I feel like you can make like an ombre. Well, not necessarily ombre, but like different colored on each day. And that would look really pretty actually. Have some leaves, more leaves, more leaves. Porcupine, it's so cute. More of those pies, pumpkins. Book with teacup. Ooh, this is perfect. I wish I would come out with a book, a sticker book with like icons and dots. But I understand. There's also a lot of like small shops that have dots, but I don't know, $3.50. Like I feel like majority of the small sticker shops sell their sheets for like $4, and I understand because it's a lot of work, but $4 for like a bunch of dots, that's a lot. These are really cute. Wow, these are really pretty. They're foiled. It's really pretty. But that is all that I got. I am probably gonna hang out, decorate my spreads. Since we were out of town, I didn't decorate my spread, so I'm gonna have to do that right now. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.